Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the iPhone 15 Ultra. Get ready to dive into the ultimate smartphone experience with its full specifications. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Processor, a 17 Bionic chip. RAM, 8GB. 48MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, 12MP telephoto camera. It is based on variant. Display, 6.7-inch Oled display with promotion, up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Screen size, 6.7 inches. Graphics, a 17 Bionic chip. Sensor, Face ID, LiDAR scanner. Fingerprint based on variant. Color variant, graphite, silver, gold, Sierra blue. Weight, 238 grams. Setting upgrade, iOS 17. Operating system, iOS 17. New features, always on display, cinematic mode, live text. Battery capacity, 5000 mAh. Metal type, titanium. Storage capacity variant, 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB. Bluetooth range, 10 meters. Charging port, USB-C. Audio port, none. Release date, 13th September 2023. Countries where it will be released, United States, India, Nepal, China, Japan, Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Russia, etc. Price, starting at $1,499. Here are some of the key features of the iPhone 15 Ultra. The A17 Bionic chip is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone, and it powers everything from the camera to the games. The 8GB of RAM ensures that the iPhone 15 Ultra can keep up with even the most demanding tasks. The triple camera system is the best in the business, with a 48MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera. The 6.7-inch Oled display is stunning, with a sharp resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The battery life is long, thanks to the 5000 mAh battery. The titanium body is durable and scratch-resistant. The iPhone 15 Ultra is available in 4 colors, graphite, silver, gold, and Sierra blue. Overall, the iPhone 15 Ultra is the most powerful and advanced iPhone ever made. It has a new design, a better camera, and a more powerful processor. It is sure to be a popular choice for many people. First off, the iPhone 15 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, delivering vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or browsing, every detail will come to life on this gorgeous screen. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Ultra packs a powerful A16 Bionic chip, taking performance to a whole new level. Multitasking, gaming, and app usage will be smooth and seamless, ensuring you never miss a beat. Now, let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 15 Ultra features a triple-lens setup, including a 48-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. From stunning landscapes to breathtaking portraits, this camera will capture every moment with pristine detail. But that's not all. The iPhone 15 Ultra also introduces new photography and videography features. With enhanced night mode and deep fusion, low-light photography will never be the same. And with the ability to shoot in Dolby Vision, your videos will have a cinematic quality like never before. When it comes to battery life, the iPhone 15 Ultra doesn't disappoint. With its advanced power management system, you can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of juice. Lastly, let's talk about security. The iPhone 15 Ultra features Face ID, the most secure facial recognition technology in a smartphone. Your device and personal data will stay protected, giving you peace of mind. The iPhone 15 Ultra has a number of advantages over other smartphones such as powerful A17 Bionic chip, amazing camera system, stunning OLED display, long battery life, durable design, latest iOS 16 operating system. Now let's talk about disadvantages. The iPhone 15 Ultra also has a few disadvantages, including no headphone jack, expensive, no expandable storage. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Ultra truly lives up to its name as the ultimate smartphone. With its stunning display, powerful performance, exceptional camera, long battery life, and top-notch security, it has everything you need and more. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Please write in the comment box. I will come back with another video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.